Form Titan video. In this video we'll talk about accurate JavaScript when using numbers in Salesforce. Now what does this mean? So I'll take you back somewhere else, and this is the W3 schools. You'll notice that in the JavaScript functions here we've got number 5.56 with decimal 56789. If I run it and I'll click try it here, it gives me the number 5.57 even though it should just be 5.56. And that's a browser rendering issue. It's a browser implementation issue, not so much Form Titan. And I'm going to show you how to fix this in Form Titan if you ever come across this issue within Form Titan. So let's take you back to the form builder. I'll create two numeric fields. One here and one here. And I'll tell you what, we'll call this one not accurate. And we'll call this one accurate. On this one here, we'll give it a decimal, and we'll say decimal digits are 2. And on the accurate one, we'll do the same. However, there is a minor difference. There's something called accurate JavaScript mode. And if you check that, I'll show you the difference. If we preview, let's just say I do 1234.1 here. You see, it's now changed to 1234.09. However, in here, 1234.1 is now reflected correctly to 10, which is what it should be. Again, in here, let's do another one. Let's do 1234.6. You can see it's now gone to 1234.59, but in here, 1234.6 will go to 160. So that's the difference between the not accurate and the accurate. Is on the accurate you have to check the accurate JavaScript functionality. Let's try another number. Let's say 9234.8. 9234.8 is now this. If I try 9234.8, it is accurate to 80. So that's how it should be. This is what it should look like, and this is what it's doing. And again, this is a browser implementation issue. But in order to solve it, you just simply have to click on your numeric field, or it can be a price field as well. Same thing applies. You just click on the element itself and check accurate JavaScript mode, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching this video.